What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. My name is, of course, Paul. Now, welcome to the new 11-inch iPad Pro and the Smart Folio case. This is not the keyboard case, by the way, just the Smart Folio for now. It's going to be a quick unboxing video and then a quick setup type of video, and then we'll see where we go from there. But for now, guys, let's jump in. Let's get this unboxed and set everything up. Let's go for the Smart Folio first. Of course, Apple fashion, you've got the new pull tab feature where you pull the tab and then you're supposed to just push, I believe. There we go, and that opens out, and there's the new Folio case. So let's chuck that to the one side, and now literally this all works with magnets. Everything on this now works with magnets. It's quite slim. Feels quite sticky though, I don't know why. We'll see what it looks like once it's in the case. So let's jump in and let's get the iPad and let's see what it looks like. There we go. Pull tab on this end. Now you just tears the packaging and you just pull down to one side. So much more easier than how it used to be. Throw that away. Everyone's struggling with that, you just got to persevere with it. Let's take that out for now and place that to one side. And what you get in here, of course, is your normal booklets and stuff. And come on, where are you? There they are. Ginormous Apple stickers. I mean, they are huge. I'm not going to go full in depth into the unboxing. At the end of the day, there's tons out there. Now, USB-C to USB-C. Probably going to see this on the next iPhone, so that's a good thing. And of course, the power brick, USB-C power brick, which is also capable of fast charging your iPhone. USB-C that end and Lightning the other, and you're going to get fast charging on your iPhone. Let's put that away. There we go. Right, okay, now the moment everyone's been waiting for is, of course, this, the new iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's peel the back off here. Not really your normal, just the fun of taking this off. And there it is, the new 11-inch iPad Pro. Connectors on the bottom, large camera hump, and of course the antenna band running right the way around the edge. So let's see what it looks like in the Smart Folio. Now you just throw it in, it connects via magnets. It literally just connected itself, and there we go. There is the new iPad Pro in the Smart Folio. Just peel that off the front, and there it is. And then obviously to take it out, you literally just slide it off. But let's switch it on and set everything up and see what it looks like. Okay, so now it's come time to set up Face ID. So let's jump in and let's see how good it is compared to the iPhone. And that's it. It's all set up and all done. Right, okay everyone, so there we go. It's all set up now. It's all done and dusted apart from me putting my own apps and stuff on it and getting it set up the way that I want, different wallpapers, etc. But that's the new 11-inch iPad. There's plenty more videos to come with this. We're going to do a lot of tests with it, like can I edit a full video on this machine on iMovie, test out plugging in a GoPro and stuff like that to drag files over. Going to test out a lot of stuff. I've also got a connection that goes into the bottom of a USB-C port. So I also want to, with having the connection going into the USB-C, I also want to test out some USB sticks and of course hard drives to see whether this will read the files on it with its own file manager. This could be a good thing if we can get rid of the iOS from it and create maybe a Mac style. You're going to be able to utilize a lot of the power of this guy. It's running a lot of power, which you guys are going to see. We're going to do a lot of tests on it, so make sure you stay tuned for them video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider dropping a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.